Welcome to the tutorial number 6. In this video, we will be talking about types of slots and circles. After watching this video, you will have a basic knowledge of how to sketch different types of slots and circles. So to start with, we'll first check out a circle tool. So we start with top plane here. You can choose any plane you want. Then we go by circle. So you can see here there are two types of circles. One is center circle and other is perimeter circle. So we'll talk about perimeter circle towards the end of the video. First we'll just talk about the center circle here. So center circle is nothing but you choose the center of the circle and then you define the radius of the circle, what radius you want. So like you can choose anything you want. After that you can dimension your diameter using smart dimension. So now let's discuss about slots. So there are basically four types of slots. First one is the straight slot, second is center point straight slot, another third one is 3-point arc slot, and the last one is center point arc slot. So in straight slot you just gotta select 2 points like this and then you can draw your slot. So the next slot will be center point straight slot. As I have told you in the previous video, you can select these slots from here itself. Now in the center slot, you gotta first choose the center of your slot like this. If you want on the center of your slot on this point, origin point, then you choose the other point length basically, and then you choose your width or whatever you want. Now the other one is 3-point arc slot. So in this 3-point arc slot, it's basically makes an slot of an arc, kind of an arc like this. See, as you see, the 3 points which I had marked are this, this, and this. The last one is the center point arc slot. Basically, the center point arc slot is nothing but you just choose the center of the slot and the other 2 points, and then you draw the slot here. So in this we chose this point, which is basically the center of the slot, this point and this point to draw this slot. So now we come up to another type of a circle, which is the perimeter circle. In this perimeter circle you choose 3 different lines or points through which you want the circle to be tangent. Like if I choose the first line to be this, the other line to be this, and the third point can be anything like this or here or at here if you want, here like this. So if I choose it here, it will go like this. So this is the 3-point. So now for another example, I can show you it as we draw a rectangle. Sorry, we'll choose a center rectangle for this. See, if you choose to draw a rectangle, and then you go to this perimeter circle. If you choose first this point, this line, then this line, and choose the round this and then this. Now you have a circle whose tangent to all these 3 lines, this one, and this one. Now we'll talk about dimensioning these slots and circles. So dimensioning the circle is pretty much simple and doesn't take much time. You just gotta change the diameter to whatever you want. Put as 50, so now the diameter will be 50 of the circle. Now for when we come to the slot, we need to dimension first this, then this, first. Now you will see that this is still not defined. So to make it defined, we need to fix the center point of this slot. So I'll show you on this one here. So you just first define this line, and see, as the center point of this slot is already fixed at the origin, we didn't need to fix this point here. So now if you want to fix this point, there's a thing called as constraints. You can do it like this. You select this point, hold control, and then select this point again. So now here you can see many relations here, make horizontal, vertical, coincident. So if I now make coincident, those both points will coincide. Like see, the slot will come here and it will be defined also like this, as the center point of slot is defined here. So we have discussed all about the basics of slots and circles. So this will be it for this video. Do check out the description box for quiz and answer them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to Start Scratch, and check out our other videos to learn similar skills through our bite-sized content.